Guys, autofanatic, new demonstration video of the autofanatic new version of the professional wheel cleaner. We're going to be using the PF22 MTM foam cannon, MTM SG28, but we're going to do something a little different today. The wheels on a Mercedes-Benz S-Class, I've done this car on my channel several times last year in demo videos. Very, very hard to clean, very intricate wheels. I'm not going to use a wheel woolly. I'm not going to use a brush. I'm going to be using this cheap, inexpensive, oscillating turbo nozzle. I am going to put the link to this nozzle. I've been testing this nozzle for about a month and a half. Works outstanding. What this does, it gives about a 45-degree spray pattern, but there's a bearing inside here, and it causes the stream to pulse and oscillate. So this is going to be called the agitator. This is going to be part of the agitation that we're going to use to get all the film and all the brake dust and everything off the car without using brushes on the Mercedes-Benz. And I've been testing this already on BMWs, Audis, and a lot of my other cars. It works phenomenal. Now, something that I thought that this was going to do, which is all these years I never tried a turbo nozzle, I thought this was going to increase the PSI of my Cranston 1322. It actually decreased. It took the PSI from 1300 and it dropped it down to 1050. Okay, that's according to the gauge. So depending on the orifice of this mechanism here and the pulsation action, it actually reduced the PSI. But I think if you guys have a decent power washer or a gas power washer, this is actually not going to cause damage. Definitely recommended to do for wheels if you don't want to get out there and scrub. So let's get over to the video right now. I'm going to show you the